of the story them from long ago. Way back when. We make you laugh like when rain a fall and breeze a blow. Way back when. If you want to rekindle the joy there in your soul. Way back when. Tell everybody you know to come and join the show. Way back when. Way back when. Way back when, pa one sunny day, Anansi a walk through the bush with him empty basket. Him belly a growl like thunder, but him never really feel like fi cook.
Me a genius, you know. Me must can find some free food if me use my brain.
Anansi said to himself. Him spot one big coconut tree. Coconut full of water, full of jelly. Him a think with them there, no cooking now fi go on. Perfect. Anansi climb up the tree and I look for the biggest coconut. When he find the biggest one, him pick it. But the moment him pick it, the coconut start to talk. Put me back. Me not ready to pick yet. Anansi frightened so till him nearly drop out of the tree.
What? And the coconut attack?
He whisper to himself. The coconut just say, yeah, yes, I walk. No, take your furry finger them off of me. Anansi get one idea right there, so.
If me take one talking coconut go down a village, me must can make some money off it. Me can charge people for your talk. Me a go be rich.
So Anansi gently placed the coconut in him basket. Big grin on him face. And he walk go straight down a village. As he walk through the village, Miss Monkey see him.
Anansi, what you have in the basket there?
Anansi puff up in chest.
Only the world's first talking coconut. But you have to pay one mango for every talk.
Miss Monkey jump up and down.
Well, me want to hear it. Take 2 mango.
Anansi opened the basket. But the coconut quiet.
Talk no. Not embarrass me.
Anansi whispered to the coconut. The coconut quiet like a church mouse. Miss Monkey then look confused.
But we don't hear nothing.
Anansi try again.
Coconut, talk up now, no man. Chop.
Coconut quiet like it asleep. So brother parrot fly down.
Quack. Me hear the coconut a chat. Make me see that. Quack.
Anansi sigh.
Well, it was talking. Me never tell a lie. True. It did a talk for true.
Parrot squawk loud.
What? That coconut a regular coconut. What? A trick you try trick with the Anansi. What?
The whole village start to laugh after Anansi. Even Miss Monkey giggle. Hear her to Anansi, no?
You try to trick me. You better just give me my mango then, yeah, man.
Anansi sit down. Basket empty. Mangoless and embarrassed. But guess what? As soon as everybody gone home, the coconut whisper to Anansi. Me did tell us I'm not ready for pick yet. Anansi jump up.
You wait till you mash up my reputation if you open up your mouth.
Coconut laugh. Next time just ask before you take. Simple lesson. Anansi chuckle.
Simple lesson, you say? Well, me still hungry and me already pick you. So, you know that I go.
And that are the story of Anansi and the talking coconut where happened from way back when.